Hi guys, I'm glad you're all here. Thank you for joining me. Near the Coppoline Volcanic Field there in Colorado, at 2:54 p.m. local time, there was a magnitude 2.9 earthquake. 6 people said they felt that earthquake. Going to Google Earth, here's the location of that 2.9, and over here is the Coppoline Volcanic Field. Let me bring it out so you can get a general idea where it's at. And we'll go up to Denver, Colorado. Okay, here's Coppoline Volcanic Field. And Denver, Colorado is north of there. Alright, let's bring it back out and go back down. And there's the 2.9. Now, the earthquake station that I downloaded the data from, there was 2 of them, was up over here, kind of northwest, not too far. Here's the spectrogram for that earthquake. They didn't fudge much about it. It was actually pretty darn close to a magnitude 3.0. It was a 2.98. Let me bring it over. Here's that earthquake. Right there. Very easily you could mistaken this for sound, man-made noise, because it's got a very long P wave on it. The monitor is about 65 miles northwest. If it wasn't for the felt reports that were sent in, USGS probably would not have reported this earthquake. It was given an intensity level of 4, which means it was felt indoors by many people, outdoors by a few. At night, some may have been woken up, well, unless they were taking a nap. Dishes, windows, doors would have been rattling. Automobiles rocked noticeably. Looks like most of the people who sent in the reports, it came from Trinidad. Now there it said it was an intensity level of 3. So let's go to Trinidad. Right down here. Okay. Interesting. I mean, that's a large population. According to Google search, they have a population in 2020 of 8,329. Yeah, I was hoping to get more information, maybe a moment tensor ball, but there's nothing on here for that. Here you can see intensity level 4, 6 responses, 3.1 miles in depth or 5 kilometers. Intensity level 4 or even 3. I'm surprised that more people did not send in felt reports. Here is the shaking from another monitor, but it is quite away from it. Now this monitor is MVCO, which is Mesa Verde, Colorado. And we'll go there. It's by, I believe, some sand dunes. Look at that. I got it. It's way over here. Yeah. No, not the sand dunes. I got that mixed up with a different one that I found. Different monitor. So that's the monitor right there. The other monitor that I'm using. And over here is the earthquake. The 2.9. Then I noticed all this shaking earlier. That actually was caused by the Tonga earthquake, the 6.3. That one was really deep. It was about 251 miles deep, and it made the earth ring like a bell. Yeah, and there was some other strange stuff on here. Yeah, some more little shaking going on. And let me bring it up. You can see we got another one here. Oh, is that it? I don't know. It's hard to find some of this stuff here. That's when the Tonga earthquake, the signature, arrived there in Colorado. And then we got another one. Yeah, that one too, right through there. Yeah, that really made the earth ring like a bell also. And then there's some little tiny stuff, I don't know if I can find it, marked in red. That looks like harmonic tremors, which would not be surprising being so close to that volcano. Yeah, I would normally tell you to ignore this because it would be man-made noise. Maybe it was a man-made earthquake. That's a thought. Well, here it says they have mining, quarries, oil and gas extraction. Well, that answers the question. Yeah, it was definitely a man-made earthquake. Did you feel it? I don't know if it was from wastewater disposal, if they got a mine in the area. But yeah, very curious. How long did it last? How did your animals react? What are your thoughts? Put those comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.